Well, it's December 18th, 2013, another snowstorm. I thought I had ABS brake problems, but the ice was packed in my tire and wheel well so tight it was stopping my tire from turning. It was like holding me back. But I'm on my paper route. I'm on Miller Road right now. Whoa!
Now my pillow introduces the my pillow mattress topper.
That thing comes right around on me. I got bald tires on the back. I need to get some better tires on the back.
The temperature when you take off.
It's the Miller Apple Orchard off to the left. Dummerston, Vermont. I'm on Miller Road. It's the farm up here and the house. There's a farm stand and stuff over here. Dwight Miller Orchards. This customer's on vacation. It's a nice country morning in Vermont on the dirt roads. My paper route coming down the bottom of Dusty Ridge, heading on to Aiken Road here. Nice old farm. Up on top of Putney Mountain now. I'm almost done with my paper route. This is Banning Road off the top of Putney Mountain. You'll see Mount Monadnock right up here in a second. Right over here on the left.
I need a data backup solution for my business to replace my current tape backup device. Do you want to spend a lot of...
Can't quite see it. It's a little too foggy.
No. How about a solution that's difficult to install and use? No. Offshore automated phone tree support? Okay.
Right out there in the clouds.
Barracuda backup. End-to-end...